Hello there everybody, Richard Arblast here from RWA Plugtest Ltd. We just wanted to fire off this quick video, well it's a quick video testimonial for a company called Plugtest Ltd. I went on a pat testing course, or portable appliance testing course, on I believe the 19th and the 20th of March before the lockdown fully happened. Just like to say that the trainer Rob was absolutely brilliant, really put your mind at rest, really enjoyable course. The other people on the course were also awesome, and he made it really easy to understand, and I passed. So I'll evidently go and check out my Instagram account for the certificate. Anyway, enough of that. So thank you to Plugtest Ltd. Awesome course. I would highly recommend it to anyone wanting to add portable appliance testing to their portfolio, or just to help their company out doing it. So as I say, a shout out to Plugtest. Awesome course. Thanks a lot. Ta-ta for now.